Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Handshake AI. In order to do so, here we are at joinhandshake.com. And what's Handshake all about? Well, it is careers that start here. And you can put in your phone number in order to get the app. Also, we can sign up here at the top right-hand corner. But you'll notice here at the top, you will see where it says Handshake AI. Let's go ahead and click on that. And we have here the largest expert network in AI, connecting AI labs with expert talent to train better models. Find experts, become a fellow. You can hear from the CEO. Handshake AI connects experts with leading AI labs to train, challenge, and refine how LLMs learn across disciplines. The outcome is AI shaped by high-quality, trusted human intelligence. Partnerships with top universities. Handshake is the career services platform for 92% of the top 500 U.S. universities, connecting you with graduate degree holders and PhDs across STEM, humanities, law, and more. 18 million verified experts and researchers who meet your criteria. You can come here to find the experts, an experts first platform built for frontier AI. Let's go ahead and come back here to the top and let's click find experts. And here we can see that we could select area of study. We have a lot of different categories here to look through: aviation, biotechnology, cell biology, chemistry. We can even search by degree level and degree achieved. So let's go ahead and just try selecting a few categories here, and you can see that that has brought us down to 84,333 verified experts and researchers who meet your criteria. So then from there, we have a variety of different categories here to choose from. In order to get access, you are going to need to enter in your work email. So if you're interested, head over to joinhandshake.com and select Handshake AI in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and click on our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open up an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.